Hi, I'm Chris Duchesne, Training Manager for the Americas here at Avon Protection. I'm going to show you how easy it is to use the NH15 Escape Hood. You want to open up the protective cover and remove the foil bag from the cover. You want to make sure that the seal has not been compromised to that foil bag, so check that. Make sure your seal is still good. The date of manufacture and expiration date are both printed on the label, so just make sure you're within that 5-year expiration date. And the Escape Hood is good for up to 15 minutes of protection. The instructions for donning the hood are written right here on the label. I'm going to show you how easy it is to don the NH15.